Want to manifest your dreams faster? Today I will show you how to combine the law of attraction with NLP to reprogram your mind for success. The law of attraction helps you focus on what you want, and NLP ensures your mind believes you can achieve it. Together they help you stay positive and take action. Law of attraction. It's about focusing on your desire to attract them into your life. NLP is a technique to change how you think and remove mental blocks. By the end, you will know a simple technique to start using today. Positive affirmation. Pick a simple statement like I am confident. Say it every morning to train your mind. Visualization. Close your eyes and picture your dream life. Imagine every detail like the sound, colors, and feeling of achieving your goal. Replace negative thoughts. If you think I can do this, replace it with I am improving every day. Keep repeating it until it feels real. That's it. Focus your thoughts with the law of attraction and train your mind with NLP techniques. Start small and watch how your life begins to change. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this.